Hey everyone, I'm Cara Di Falco, integrative nutrition health coach and host and producer of YouTube's only Emmy-nominated cooking show. Here, we encourage everyday people to live healthier by inspiring them to cook delicious food at home. Today, I have a super simple health coach hack for you, how to get more greens into your diet. It's actually the #1 thing Americans are missing from their diet is green vegetables, and we all have such an aversion to them, but it's really easy to incorporate them simply into your diet and to your budget. One of my favorite things to do is I will buy a big family-sized bag of pre-chopped greens. This is kale, and I use kale because I freeze it. It holds up really well to the freezer, and then you don't have to worry about it going bad, and you can use it in small batches and in handfuls. So whenever I go to make something and I want to add some greens to it, I just pull up my bag and I can easily add a handful to things like my smoothies in the morning. You can also add some greens to your scrambled eggs in the morning. Another easy thing to do for lunch is to use some pre-cooked grains, either brown rice, quinoa, farro, any of those things. Add some greens to it and a bit of salad dressing. Now you've got a grain bowl. You can also add your greens to something like a grilled cheese. Just put them in the middle. Who doesn't love cheese? You'll never even notice they're there. Or the most basic way, nice and simple, saute them up with a little bit of olive oil and garlic and serve them on the side with your favorite protein for dinner. Guys, those are some really easy ways you can start to get some greens into your diet, as well as save some money on your budget by freezing a family-sized bag full of them. Spinach will work here as well. That is it. I will see you guys next time. Enjoy.